A funny ostrich tried to attack a man and then ran away like a kid. A playful swan ran after a golfer for fun, creating a humorous scene on the golf ground. A random monkey drop kicked a pedestrian, leaving the shocked man to quickly run off from the sudden flying attack. A FedEx worker misjudged a gate door security, and a dog quickly proved him wrong, making an amusing moment. An angry elephant chased after bikers, forcing them to abandon their motorbikes and escape on foot, leaving their two-wheelers behind. In a circus act, an elephant's anger erupted, causing it to rush suddenly, possibly due to being trapped in tight space. A charging sheep surprised an unsuspecting fisherman, knocking him into a lake, but fortunately no serious harm was caused. Footage shows a cyclist's encounter with an irritated ram in France, with the ram continuously chasing the cyclist. This girl dared to tease the clever caged monkey, but the bold primates were having none of it and taught her an unforgettable lesson. A leopard nearly caught a person trying to climb into a truck, but a group of dogs intervened, preventing any damage. A brave photographer stood firm as a grizzly bear rushed towards him, capturing an amazing moment. A naughty goat enjoyed itself charging and knocking down unsuspecting people, including a lady who ended up on the ground. A runaway bull created panic in Peru as it got loose, making the locals scramble to avoid the sudden wild rampage. An angry goat took out its frustration on a reporter with irritating questions, making its displeasure obvious.
Would you not eat my pants?
A young horse broke free from a racing stable and ran into a nearby bar in a town just north of Paris without injuring anyone. A truck full of people hurriedly left their vehicle as an elephant came close, fearing it might flip the entire truck. A man accidentally provoked a lioness, but luckily the situation didn't escalate beyond agitation. A camel showed its authority by ripping off a car's side mirrors, leaving no doubt of who ruled the road. A persistent rhino chased a tour car, which made the driver scream in fear as they desperately tried to outrun the giant. A naughty monkey grabbed a man's bag containing valuable stuff, leaving the man in a tricky spot. An enraged bull jumped into the stands, sending everyone running away. Luckily, no major injuries happened, and it was eventually calmed. A gorilla charged at zoo glass, which frightened the kids watching. One more strike could have turned tragic for everyone involved.
Oh, man.
A wild elephant chased after a man, but luckily he got away safely, avoiding harm with remarkable speed. A curious bear put on a show hanging in Steamboat Springs, Colorado from an upstairs window before causing chaos inside the house. Elephants escaped from a circus, running loose in a small Asian town, creating a sight that left residents in total disbelief.
Local restaurant. Barely able to escape.
A hawk seized the chance to grab a puppy from a backyard, leaving the pup with only a small scratch, a shocking but not fatal incident. A leopard in India ran after a motorcyclist but was stopped by quick-thinking bystanders, sparing the rider from harm. A rampaging elephant went on a destructive spree in India, damaging nearly 100 houses and cars. Locals were left confused about its reason. Sea lions strongly guarded their territory on a San Diego beach. Scared people huddled together, startled by the dominant marine creatures. An annoyed gorilla playfully splashed water at a boat, then ran off in a funny show of mischief. A bison smashed a car's headlights in Yellowstone, defending its space. Fortunately, it ended without tragedy.
Oh shit. God, did he hit him? Yes, he did. Be careful.
A tiger attacked a man like a movie scene, but luckily no major injuries happened during this frightening moment. A kangaroo refused to retreat from a fight with a determined boy, showing its dominance with persistence.
Get him, Jory!
What?
Get him! Push him!
No, don't scratch his ears. Scratch his ears.
Many lions chased their intended meal, making the giraffe's adrenaline surge, turning it unstoppable in its escape. While filming an educational show on deer habits, the deer turned aggressive, charging the host and disrupting the calm documentary.
He got me.
A flock of sheep got tired of constant commands from a man and teamed up to charge him again and again, reclaiming their freedom. A relaxed TV-watching moment turned chaotic when a deer crashed through a glass door into a living room, terrifying a little child. A determined hare tried to defend its friend with several punches, though its efforts didn't succeed. A reporter annoyed a lion whose patience ran thin. Defense was the only thing stopping a more violent story.
And if it gets really cold, he can go into his den in the back. Right, Chow?